What's up, everyone? I have some amazing news to share. Now, this YouTube channel just got monetized in less than 2 months. Yeah, you heard that right. From zero to joining the YouTube Partner Program in under 8 weeks. And I couldn't have done it without you. Now, if you look into my channel and if you click the link that says more, you can see right there the date when I made this channel. It's August 13, 2025. So I started this channel on August 13, 2025. Just me, my ideas, and a passion for creating videos that people would actually enjoy watching. At first, I wasn't even sure how far this would go. I was just experimenting and trying to learn editing styles, trying different formats, and figuring out what really connects with people or what videos really people would watch. So what I did was just really try to start doing it, and because I know that in the long run, by doing it, the learning will just come naturally. So every upload taught me something new. And even though it was just a handful of videos, which was about less than 30, the support from you guys was unreal because I managed to get monetized with less than 30 video uploads. Now, fast forward to October 2, 2025. That's the time where I hit the YouTube Partner Program requirements, which is the 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views. But here's the crazy part. Actually, if you see one of my posts in my channel also, if you click the post tab, you will also see right there that I reached the 10k subs at around on September 12, 2025. And going back to October 2, 2025, I didn't just hit the YouTube Partner Program requirements. By that time, this channel had already grown to 15,000 subscribers. It was really surreal. I checked my analytics every morning like, is this even real? And then by October 10, I officially got accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and officially got monetized. And that moment felt like a dream come true, honestly. Now, I made this video and to let you know that I want to thank you, and especially to everyone who watched, liked, commented, and subscribed, because you are the ones who made this happen. Your support means the world to me. Every view, every share, every positive comment, even the negative comments, which I really appreciate because I really like people correcting me so that I improve. All of it helped me to reach this milestone faster than I ever imagined, because getting monetized in less than 2 months is really amazing. Now, if you look at my channel, you will notice that I really focus on making short videos. Now you can see right here in my YouTube Studio dashboard, and that how many subscribers I have, and in under the content you can also see that all of the videos that I uploaded, including the one long form video, all are monetized. And of course, all of my shorts videos are getting monetized. Even my first upload from the very beginning, this one, it's already being monetized. Everything is turned on. all are monetized up to the latest one. So means with your support, we are already earning. And as you can see here in the earn tabs, in the earn tab, you can see here that the channel is already a YouTube partner. So we're really monetized, guys, and I really would like to thank you for that. So under the analytics, this is my revenue, which I cannot show yet. Maybe some other time I will show you how much I earn, maybe after 1 month. And that's it. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. If you like it, then just hit the like button and comment whatever you like, or comment whatever video related to content creation you want me to make. If you want any tips, or if you want me to make a video on how I did it, just comment it down below. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do. And have a good day. Thank you, guys.